Do you feel like your bank is stuck in the last decade? For years, Monzo has been the digital challenger leading the charge, but now that they've hit profitability and passed the 10 million customer mark, the big question is, what's next? Monzo is no longer just about the bright Coral card and instant spending notifications. They're building a comprehensive financial ecosystem, and their roadmap reveals some seriously ambitious plans for the future, centered around three key areas: expanding wealth management, deepening business services, and global ambition. First, let's talk about wealth. It's clear Monzo wants to manage your money well beyond your current account. Their big play here is Monzo Pension. Launched recently, it allows customers to consolidate old pension pots into a single fund, all manageable within the app. Working with a major asset manager, they're simplifying what is usually a complex, anxiety-inducing process. You can expect this area to mature with more nuanced investment options and clearer financial planning tools integrated right into the app's Trends feature, moving it from just tracking your past spending to planning your future wealth. Next, there's a huge push into business banking. Monzo is serious about becoming the go-to financial control center for small and growing businesses. We've already seen them launch new services like a premium team plan for bigger small businesses, featuring payment approvals and expense cards. But the real game changer is their partnership to bring in-app tax filing for business customers. This tool, designed to simplify compliance with new digital tax rules, shows they are moving beyond basic accounts to tackle the most painful parts of running a business. Expect more deep integrations with popular accounting software in the future. Finally, and perhaps most excitingly, global growth. After achieving solid profitability in the UK, Monzo is looking to expand their footprint. They've restructured their corporate setup to support major international expansion, focusing on markets like the US and Ireland, paving the way for a broader European presence. This global ambition is also what fuels the talks around a potential IPO in the coming years, debating between New York and London as a listing location. Either way, it signals a massive step up for the digital bank. So, from retirement planning and advanced business tools to finally making that big international leap, Monzo is transforming from a cool spending app into a full-service financial behemoth. They're betting that convenience, simplicity, and a killer user experience will keep you from ever looking back at a traditional bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.